Entonces, si está bien todo eso, voy a terminar de llenar esta y les doy la forma y luego pueden ir al lugar y los vemos la próxima semana. ¿Sí? Ok, gracias. My mom is originally from Mexico. Growing up, she had to establish her permanent residency and then eventually had to go through the US citizenship process, and so did my sister. So I know how difficult the process can be and how long it takes. A lot of the time when your parents are first generation, you go to the doctor and you end up being like a translator. Occasionally they have a nurse that can speak Spanish or something like that. But most of the time it was me interacting with the doctor and then interacting with my mom to get the message across. Eventually I started shadowing, and then I was an actual translator between the patients and the doctor, and I think that made me realize I want to be a doctor who can communicate with people who otherwise can't advocate for themselves because they don't speak the language.
Caleb is fearless. I knew that from the beginning. I first met Caleb through the PATH program, and we've been working on his resume, and I understood that he had this interest in assisting non-English speakers gain access to quality healthcare. And then when Dr. Eifling approached me about an honor student assisting him in the clinic, this was a natural fit. I knew that Caleb would do a great job for Dr. Eifling.
Our family had sponsored one of the families that was evacuated from Kabul in 2021. In serving that family, the director of Canopy reached out to us to point out that there was another deficiency in our community. We didn't have enough civil surgeons. She asked if I would be interested in becoming a civil surgeon. Here at Welcome Health, we have me as the civil surgeon, and we have an undergraduate intern from the Honors College at the University of Arkansas.
And what we do is the medical immigration exam, and that's required for legal immigration in the country or establishing permanent residency.
We serve general community members, and for those, it's really me and Caleb who work through those cases. In addition, we have a similar kind of parallel pathway that we use for processing refugee families and unaccompanied minors.
The reason why it brought me to Welcome Health is through my parents' process. They needed a medical examination done, and through that I met Dr. Eifling. I want the medical exam process in general to go smoother. Unlike my parents' process, I just felt passionately about moving the process a little quicker, and I found an opportunity where I could help them out.
My favorite part is just getting to interact with the patients. You meet people from countries all around the world.
The best thing about working at the clinic is being able to provide a community service and service learning experience for the students.
Arkansas has opened their doors to a lot of these people so that they can continue on with their lives. The University of Arkansas has given me everything I need to succeed, especially with the PATH program. The university in general has just taught me how to be away from home and be my own person and helped me grow up.